I am God, I am divine. Everyone is divine.
Everybody is part of the divine. Everybody are brothers and sisters.
We are not human beings on a spiritual trip. We are essentially spiritual beings on a human trip.
Tim tadi tatudu. Tim tadi tatudu. Tim tadi tatudu.
The whole world is based on the principle of action and reaction. It's what we call karma,
Tim takata tim.
action and reaction.
Takata tim takata tim.
If you do good, you'll get back good. If you do bad, you'll get back bad.
Takata tim takata tim.
If you don't learn that lesson is going to repeat again and again till you get it.
Karma doesn't leave.
You know, everything that we think or feel or do or just are, there's a whole package of energy behind it, you know. I mean, you throw a stone with some force. That force is there in whatever is going to happen after the stone has been released from your hand. Now that can't just disappear in the air. It works around. It works around. So it has its play. Whether it is diffused, it's added on, it builds up in the system. You know, I think this is the essence of karma.
Karma is a cycle. Karma is the effects of what you do.
If you do something good, you will reap the benefit. If you do the same thing, if you do some harm to anyone and all that, you will have to pay for it definitely.
Now it doesn't stop there. Karma can be even your thoughts. If you think bad, that also is a karma. It's not only that what you do, it can be even in your thought. Karma is the attitude in which you live.
See, if you don't believe in karma, why there is differentiation between persons? One person is very rich, one person is very poor, he doesn't have even food to eat. There are all sort of, differences are there in this world. How do you account for it? It is because each one have done some karma and according to that he gets.
Karma is like a bank. and the balance you have in the bank is your karma. If you do good karma, your interest increases in the bank. That means your bank balance increases. If you do bad karma, that means you're spending money and your bank balance gets down. Suppose your bank has no money left and you keep spending, you are in debt to the bank. You have to pay back this life or the next. They won't leave you. You have to pay back.
It's a cycle. That is birth, then your experiences, sufferings, disease, old age, death, and then again, like that it comes.
You do karma, to erase the old karma, you have to live again. In this life, if you do again karma, you go again forward.
That's what the law of attraction says. Until you have learned a particular lesson in your life, you're attracting the same pattern again and again till you learn that.
You are like caught in a wheel, and that wheel keeps turning. And that wheel keeps turning.
So you have to take birth after birth, and you get experience. That's all.
And that wheel keeps turning.
Birth,
Death,
birth, animals, birds, everything. Birth,
death,
it goes on in circulation. Animals, birds, everything.
Good karma, credit. Bad karma, debit. Good karma, credit. Bad karma, debit.
Birth,
death,
birth,
death.
When you are born again, don't make new karmas. That way you can stop the wheel. This karma cycle you can stop.
Then you have exhausted everything, you don't have a birth. You got, that is what called mukti. Mukti is liberation. You get liberated from the bondage. That's the thing. You get totally liberated. You become God yourself, you merge with the totality. That's the thing.
This whole thing is an eternal child playing an eternal game in an eternal garden.
Yeah, it's a divine in play, hiding himself, discovering himself, and manifesting himself. That's who we are, and that's what reality is.
To the best you can, without being attached. The rest is not your lookout. Let God decide. If you have done the best today, you will get the best tomorrow.
If I could see myself in you, my heart there is divine. In you also there is divine. In everywhere, in a cow, in a parrot, everywhere you find divine. See, you see only divine and nothing else. It's only divine everywhere. If you could realize, if you reach that stage, there is no enemy for you. There is, you only love. Only love flows from you. You love everybody.